if I film this, it will hold me accountable and I have to do it. So let's tidy up. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you can't tell from the background behind me, I need to do a really good tidy up and clean in this flat, and I haven't done one yet on YouTube, so I thought it was time I brought you with me and did a clean with me. The flat is not looking its best right now, I'm not gonna lie. I had a few friends over this weekend and I didn't want to be cleaning while I was trying to enjoy their company, so I kind of just said, well, leave stuff where it is and I'll deal with it on Monday. And today is Monday and I now have to deal with it. So I am regretting that, but it was worth it. This is what the space is currently looking like. I've got a bit of stuff to do here and there, but I don't think it's going to be a huge job and I think we can get it done pretty quickly. Before I start the cleaning, I should probably actually mention that I've maneuvered some of the furniture around in here because I think some of you will probably notice and be like, Hermione, why did you do that? I thought I would try a new layout to see if it worked better while having friends around. So I thought I would film it quickly and show you what I did. As cool as this looks, I think we can spot a major issue. Why did I not think of that sooner? Right, I'm gonna go move them all back. It does look cool though. Let's just appreciate what it looks like one more time before I put them all back. Oh. So that's what I did. I just thought it would be a good idea to maneuver the furniture and see if it worked well with 3 people in the room. I might move it back, who knows? It does look a little bit awkward with that chair in the middle on the footage, but I promise you that in person I think it's got a bit more of a better flow to the space now, so who knows? I could switch it back, maybe. We'll see. Really, what I'm doing by telling you this story is actually just procrastinating because I don't want to start cleaning. Let's jump in. I'm gonna start with the sitting room. The first thing I tackled in the sitting room was putting back the sofa bed. This is so easy to do, it takes me about 2 minutes, and this Swift sofa has really been a game changer in this flat, seeing as I've only got 1 bedroom. It means I can have people come and stay, and it's so easy to put back. I've been really loving it. I always like to start my cleaning with tackling something that looks like a big task but is actually really easy, and once it's done it makes a huge difference. Then the smaller tasks seem so much less significant and they're easier to do. With the coffee table cleared off, it's time to give it a good clean, and I'm really excited about this because today I am working with Blueland, who are sponsoring this video, and they have kindly supplied me with their eco-friendly refill cleaning products. I've mentioned on this channel before that although I'm not perfect, I try to make as many eco-friendly swaps with my cleaning products as possible. It's so easy to do and it makes no difference to me. Blueland's cleaning products come in a tablet form that you dissolve in warm water, and they supply you with these really very aesthetically pleasing bottles to do it in. Blueland's products are effective, affordable, safe for use, derived from clean ingredients, EPA approved, and they don't use any single-use packaging, which I love. You can reuse these multiple times. I've got to say, my 2 favorite things about the product, 1 is the smell, they smell incredible, and 2 is that the cleaning products work so well. I was taken aback by how well the glass cleaner worked. Here is the proof. I may have lit a candle that got a little bit out of control here the other day, so I need to get rid of that. Not a single streak. I don't even have to go over this with a dry cloth. It's crazy. I love you. You're great. Instead of buying individual cleaning products or hand soap, if you get a Blueland kit, you're already getting 20% savings, plus I have a code for another 20% off. All you have to do is click my link below. They're also shipping to the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. Anyway, now let's get back into it. I've still got a few things to do in the sitting room before we move on to the next space. Balance has been restored in the sitting room, so I'm now going to do the bathroom and get it really clean so I can hang up my laundry. I have a few laundry tips I want to share with you in a minute because I currently don't have a dryer anymore, so I've had to find a few solutions that work for me. But let me get the bathroom clean and then we'll get into that. My priority in the bathroom is to clean and disinfect all of the surfaces and the floors. Because I've recently finished a lot of makeovers in this flat, I've noticed I haven't had to deep clean yet because it's really easy to keep on top of the cleaning and restocking in this apartment. That being said, I hope in the next few months I can make it really, really dirty and do a deeper clean for you one day. I've said it before, this bathroom's a bit old, it's not very aesthetically pleasing, but as long as it's clean, that is my main priority. I could redo this grout at some point, but for the meantime, I've just put some cream cleaner on it to see if I can brighten it up. For all the floors in this apartment, I use a rag on top of a mop with some cleaning product in it to give them a really good clean. This helps me avoid using single-use wipes and things like that too. Bathroom is clean, I'm really happy with it. It's still not a Pinterest bathroom, but it's a clean bathroom, that's the main thing. Now let's talk about laundry, because I need to do some. I mentioned earlier that I don't have a dryer anymore, and I do miss my dryer very much, but living without one has actually been so much easier than I anticipated, and I've come up with a few tricks that really help me do my laundry. So I wash my clothes as normal. I'm currently doing a load of towels and bath mats and things like that, so I can wash them at a slightly different temperature. When I hang things up to dry, for larger items, I use this Minky system that I've got in the bathroom. This thing looks 1,000 years old, it's gone really yellow, but it works. It's like a little portable washing line. This guy, actually kind of cool. A little bit old, but we like it. As it's a bit old, it gets weighed down pretty quickly, so I only try and do one load at a time if I can. For clothes, I have two options. The first is something I use for socks and underwear, and it's this simple little hanger system from IKEA. I think this was about 50p, and it's a really easy way to hang up small items so that they can dry naturally. I hang a couple of these on the bathroom door or on the shower curtain rail, and they dry pretty quickly. I like this. This was inexpensive. Ooh. The next thing I use for my laundry is these guys. I found these in Lakeland and they simply just hook onto the back of the door, and from there you can hang a coat hanger with all of your items, so that way they can dry really well without getting creases in them at the midsection if you were to fold them over a washing line. Not having a dryer does mean that my bath towels get a little bit crunchy when they dry. That is something that I would like to find a hack for. I've heard that adding white vinegar into your wash can help fluff them up a little bit. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried that and does it work. I'm a bit reluctant because the smell of white vinegar makes me feel a bit sick when I clean with it. That's why I don't clean with white vinegar. But if it works, I'm willing to give it a try. So please let me know. Now that we've talked laundry, I think it's time to move on to the next room. Now it's time for the kitchen, which honestly isn't looking too bad. A bit like the bathroom, because I've just given this space a makeover, it doesn't need a huge deep clean. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the footage do the talking and shut up for a few minutes. We've made it to the final frontier. I'm gonna do the bedroom. There's not much to do in here. I just need to clear the surfaces, put away all of the clothes that I've thrown in here while tidying the other rooms, and I'm gonna change the bedding. By the way, apologies for the poor lighting throughout all of this video. It's been raining outside, so it's really dark, and I ended up putting the lights on. So this is what it looks like today. I'm a nightmare when I'm tidying up my bedroom because I always get so distracted by things. Like, I just found some Shrek earrings lying around that I decided to show you for some reason. And as I was putting stuff away, I then decided, you know what, I'm gonna organize all of my jewelry and pair up all of my earrings. And I was there for about an hour and completely forgot to finish this video. Well, no, I did finish it, but I got very distracted. Anyway, I did end up finishing the bedroom after procrastinating for a little while. Once I changed the sheets, this is what the bedroom looks like. I'm so glad it's nice and tidy. There is nothing better than the feeling of getting in a clean bed once you've done a lot of tidying up. Done. I didn't expect that to take 8 hours, but it did. But I'm really pleased that we're finished and I'm happy to have a nice clean home again. I do still have some laundry going, but I think we're going to be working on that until tomorrow. I really enjoyed making this video. I love watching clean with me's because they always motivate me to get up and do a bit of tidying. So I hope that this has helped you if you're watching it and you want to get some cleaning done. And with all of that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy cleaning and I'll see you next time. Bye!